I thought these were useless, but tool number 7 changed my mind. Watch the full video and comment below. Which tool would you actually use? Loosening and removing pipe fittings becomes this easy. This is a multi-function self-locking strap wrench. The strap is extended and thickened for a non-slip, wear-resistant, and strong grip. The length can be freely adjusted and locked, whether it's filter cartridges, pipe joints, bucket lids, or anything difficult to twist by hand. This tool removes and installs them easily without damaging the surface. Removing screws no longer requires constantly repositioning your hand. This is a double-ended ratchet wrench invented by a drilling worker. It comes in 17-19mm and 18-19mm models, allowing quick one-button switching between clockwise and counterclockwise rotation. Tightening expansion bolts becomes much easier and less tiring. The angled tail handle is specially designed for prying out expansion bolts. When screws are extremely tight and hard to move, use this extended wrench handle. Made from thick forged CRV steel, it offers high hardness, strong torque, and resists deformation. It works with open-end wrenches, box wrenches, pipe wrenches, and more, making loosening and tightening easier. Threading wires doesn't have to be done little by little anymore. This is an electric wire threading tool created by experienced electricians. Inside are dual transmission rollers. Attach a power drill, and the faster it spins, the faster wires pass through. It replaces manual work and greatly speeds things up. If you often forget where you put your keys, stop hiding them in random places. Put them in this password-protected key box. It can be mounted on a wall or installed on a security door peephole. During home renovation, there's no need to pass keys around, and the password can be changed anytime. Even without a pipe fitting, pipes can be connected quickly. This is a pipe expanding tool with a T-shaped design. It supports 5 pipe sizes: 16, 18, 20, 25, and 32 millimeters. Heat the pipe slightly, insert the expander, and turn the handle to create a standard socket connection that seals tightly and prevents leaks. With just a bucket of water, you can enjoy a shower. This is a portable shower device designed for places with inconvenient water access. It works well where water pressure is low, in dorms, rental rooms, or outdoors. It runs on safe 12V power, saves water, and water can be preheated for comfort. This multi-function sink wrench handles almost everything. It's adjustable in length and works for sinks, basins, showers, faucets, and general plumbing repairs, making household maintenance much easier. Drilling deep holes can strain your wrist. This is a universal auxiliary handle for hammer drills and impact drills. Attach it to the drill and adjust the direction for better grip and stability. This folding stainless steel stool won't rust even under sun and rain. It's strongly welded, has anti-slip heat, protects floors, and is durable enough for heavy loads while remaining portable. This tool doesn't cut wire or tighten screws. It's a filter removal tool. The opening adjusts to 3 sizes and has internal serrated teeth. It works for removing vehicle filters, agricultural machinery filters, water meter filters, and pipe maintenance. To avoid hurting hands while harvesting peppercorns, someone invented these harvesting scissors. Pull the trigger to activate the blades. They're easy to use and suitable for peppers, beans, eggplants, loofahs, and more. Cutting and grooving creates lots of dust, so this is a dust control shield for angle grinders. Install it on the grinder, connect water through the valve, and cutting becomes cleaner, smoother, and safer. This universal magnetic level quickly measures horizontal, vertical, slope, and angle positions with automatic tilt measurement. Great for steel structures, welding, and construction. This is an air pump conversion kit made from an old gas cylinder. Attach it to the valve, inflate it, and use it with pneumatic tools such as nail guns for construction and repairs. This Eagle Beak pipe wrench grips tightly and won't slip. Its wide jaw and anti-slip teeth handle pipes and bolts of different shapes and sizes, making plumbing and mechanical work easier. Drilling glass or tiles often slips and scratches the surface. This is a suction cup drilling locator. Attach it firmly with suction cups, center the drill, and the built-in bearings keep drilling accurate. This light works without electricity or batteries. It's an emergency saltwater lamp. Add a spoon of salt and some water. Shake it, and it provides emergency lighting for over 100 hours. This is a portable infrared laser level with horizontal, vertical, cross, and point laser lines. Compact and easy to carry, it helps with leveling and installation. And finally, this is an angle grinder tile chamfering attachment. Install it with the grinder's screws and rollers for smooth cut. It creates precise 45-degree bevel cuts on tiles, stone slabs, and marble. Extremely practical.